Consider the following proteins with their functions. Albumins, maintenance of osmotic pressure of blood. Globulins, formation of blood clots. Fibrinogen, formation of antibodies. Which of the above are correctly matched? A. Only 1 and 2, B. Only 2 and 3, C. Only 1, D. 1, 2 and 3. Show answer. Correct answer, C. Only 1. Notes: albumins are responsible for maintenance of osmotic pressure of blood. Globulins are chief sites for formation of antibodies, while prothrombin and fibrinogen are essential for clotting of blood. Consider the following: dengue, leprosy, rabies. Which among the above are tropical diseases? A. Only 1, B. Only 1 and 2, C. Only 1 and 3, D. 1, 2 and 3. Show answer. Correct answer, D. 1, 2 and 3. Notes: the main tropical diseases in India include dengue, trachoma, leprosy, lymphatic filariasis, soil-transmitted helminthiasis, rabies and kala-azar. The prevalence of these tropical diseases depends on climatic conditions, socioeconomic conditions, inappropriate health-seeking behavior, migration of population as well as emerging drug and insecticide resistance. 13. Which of the following statements is the correct definition of bioslurping? A. It refers to aerobic biological degradation of the hydrocarbons when air is introduced into the unsaturated zone. B. It refers to use of indigenous microorganisms to biodegrade organic constituents in the saturated zone. C. It is an in situ remediation technology that uses microorganisms for degradation of volatile organic compounds, VOCs. D. It is the process of using bacteria to dissolve metals instead of chemical solutions. Show answer. Correct answer, A. It refers to aerobic biological degradation of the hydrocarbons when air is introduced into the unsaturated zone. Notes: first option is the correct answer. Consider the following vitamins: Vitamin A, Vitamin C, Vitamin D, Vitamin E. Which of the above are fat soluble? A. 1, 2 and 3, B. 1, 3 and 4, C. 2, 3 and 4, D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Show answer. Correct answer, B. 1, 3 and 4. Notes: vitamins which are fat soluble are vitamins A, D, A and K, and water soluble are vitamins B and C. 15. Which of the following are correct about kinetic energy? A. Kinetic energy can be positive or negative. B. Kinetic energy is independent of frame of reference. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Show answer. Correct answer, D. None of the above. Notes: kinetic energy of a body is half the product of mass of the body and square of the velocity of the body. K. A equals 1/2 mv2. Kinetic energy depends on the frame of reference. Kinetic energy of a body is always positive. 16. What is the property of a liquid due to which its free surface tries to have minimum surface area? A. Viscosity. B. Buoyancy. C. Surface tension. D. Rigidity. Show answer. Correct answer, C. Surface tension. Notes: the property of a liquid due to which its free surface tries to have minimum surface area and behaves as if it were under tension somewhat like a stretched elastic membrane is called surface tension. 17. What is the shape of meniscus when angle of contact is greater than 90 degrees? A. Concave. B. Convex. C. Plane. D. None of the above. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Convex. Notes: when angle of contact is greater than 90 degrees, the shape of meniscus is convex. When angle of contact is less than 90 degrees, the shape of meniscus is concave. When angle of contact is equal to 90 degrees, the shape of meniscus is plane. 18. Which of the following electromagnetic waves in the M spectrum has the shortest frequency? A. Radio. B. Gamma. C. X-rays. D. Infrared. Show answer. Correct answer, A. Radio. Notes: the electromagnetic spectrum when arranged from the lowest to the highest frequency includes all radio waves, e.g., commercial radio and television, microwaves, radar, infrared radiation, visible light, ultraviolet radiation, X-rays, and gamma rays. 19. Which of these devices is used to increase the power of a signal? A. Amplifier, B. Voltage regulator, C. Attenuator, D. All of the above. Show answer. Correct answer, A. Amplifier. Notes: an amplifier is an electronic device that can increase the power of a signal. 20. Which of the following catalyst is used generally during the hydrogenation of alkenes? A. Platinum, B. Palladium, C. Nickel, D. All of the above. Show answer. Correct answer, D. All of the above. Notes: dihydrogen gas adds to alkenes and alkene in the presence of finely divided catalysts like platinum, palladium or nickel to form alkanes. General science question. General science question. General science के paper in S. 21. What is the output of an OR gate when both the inputs are 1? A. 0, B. 1, C. Either 0 or 1, D. None. Show answer. Correct answer, B. 1. Notes: the OR gate is a digital logic gate that gives a high output if one or both the inputs to the gate are high. 22. How is aqua regia formed? A. By mixing 2 parts of concentrated HCl and 1 part of concentrated HNO3. B. By mixing 3 parts of concentrated HCl and 1 part of concentrated HNO3. C. By mixing 1 part of concentrated HCl and 3 parts of concentrated HNO3. D. None of the above. Show answer. Correct answer, B. By mixing 3 parts of concentrated HCl and 1 part of concentrated HNO3. Notes: when 3 parts of concentrated HCl and 1 part of concentrated HNO3 are mixed, aqua regia is formed, which is used for dissolving noble metals, e.g., gold, platinum. 23. Brass is an alloy of which of the following metals? A. Copper and tin, B. Copper and zinc, C. Lead and tin, D. Zinc and nickel. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Copper and zinc. Notes: brass is an alloy of copper and zinc, Cu and zinc. Lead is often added in concentrations of around 2% to enhance the machinability of brass. 24. Which of these metals comes into use in the treatment of bipolar disorders? A. Carbon, B. Lithium, C. Nickel, D. Cobalt. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Lithium. Notes: lithium salts are used as a mood stabilizing drug in the treatment of bipolar disorder in humans. Lithium is the lightest metal and the lightest solid element. 25. Which of the following is the method to get rid of temporary hardness of water? A. Boiling the water, B. Addition of calcium hydroxide, C. Both A and B, D. None. Show answer. Correct answer, C. Both A and B. Notes: the temporary hardness of water can be reduced either by boiling the water, or by the addition of lime, calcium hydroxide, through the process of lime softening. 26. Which plants grow under water stress conditions of deserts? A. Epiphytes, B. Xerophytes, C. Sciophytes, D. Heliophytes. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Xerophytes. Notes: a xerophyte is a species of plant that has adapted to survive in an environment with little liquid water, such as a desert or an ice or snow-covered region in the Alps or the Arctic. 27. The right portion of human heart receives which type of blood? A. Mixed, B. Impure, C. Pure, D. None of these. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Impure. Notes: the right portion receives blood, which is impure, from the body and pumps the same to the lungs for purification, oxygenation. The impure blood enters the heart from 2 large veins called the superior and inferior vena cava. 28. Who is called the father of biology? A. Lamarck, B. Aristotle, C. Treviranus, D. Cuvier. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Aristotle. Notes: Aristotle expressed his views about various aspects of plant and animal life. That's why Aristotle is called the father of biology. He was a great Greek philosopher. His theory of biology is also known as Aristotle's biology. 29. Which of the following organelles is absent in animal cells and present in plant cells? A. Cytoplasm, B. Cell wall, C. Vacuoles, D. Mitochondria. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Cell wall. Notes: the cell wall surrounds the plasma membrane of plant cells. The cell wall is a fairly rigid layer that surrounds a cell located outside the plasma membrane. 30. Which cell organelle controls the entry and exit of molecules into and out of the cell? A. Golgi bodies, B. Cell membrane, C. Lysosomes, D. Mitochondria. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Cell membrane. Notes: a plasma membrane is made up of lipids and proteins. The composition can fluctuate depending on the fluidity in the plasma membrane, the external environment, and the different stages of cell development.